I've had a teacher do this piece, and it's trophy material. See how we've controlled the resin on top, got rid of the air bubbles, and contained the meniscus lines curved down. To achieve that, we did a mix of pour-on gloss, 10 and 10 mil, and then added the same amount of metho, so 20 mil of metho to our mix, and then painted the surface first, and that seals it and any of the soft stuff, and also for air bubbles. Then poured to fill in the holes or the low spots, and then did a pour over the top of that, and that's come up looking Mickey Mouse. Here's another pour-on gloss engraved sign. So again, 50% matho with our pour-on gloss to paint the whole surface, because pine's very porous. And then from there, did a pour and filled the deep where it's been machined, filled all this up, and then did a second pour right over the top. If you just do a single pour, you'll end up with low spots.